Today we are going to look at different applications of NLP. So in the last class we have seen what is NLP and what does it do. So we defined NLP as we want machine to understand and comprehend and respond to the instructions given in natural language. This is what NLP does. So there are many important applications of NLP in the today's scenario, and one of such application I would like to show you demo is sentiment analysis. We have a lot of text, Amazon product reviews or IMDb reviews, movie reviews or audio reviews or YouTube comments. So all these things we can give it to the sentiment analysis system. It will review all those aspects and it will give you the sentiment. That means whether it is positive, that means good, or whether it is negative, or the neutral. So this is known as sentiment analysis. Now let us try to see a particular demo of that. We have a website called textprocessing.com. So let me, I already opened it, and we can have different demos here. So here there are different types of demos. So I can get some review. Let us say I have some IMDb website or and suppose I have a movie review here. So there will be many reviews in different languages, different types of text. For example, I am taking this review. So this review, I would like to know whether it is positive or negative. So I'll copy this review and I'll paste it here. And I would like to analyze the sentiment. So it says that it is a negative review with a different polarity because it has many keywords which is negative. So, but the plot one is something made me excited for this movie in the first place. So this is called sentiment analysis. You take some text and from the text you will extract the sentiment, whether it is positive or negative or what we say neutral review. So you can take different reviews and so there are many reviews. So you can take any product review, Amazon product review, and you can give it and you can analyze the sentiment. You can also take social media feeds, Facebook comments or Twitter feed, and you can analyze whether a person is happy or not. So this type of sentiment analysis is very useful even for your projects. So there is one application where you can uh, explore the NLP, and not only that, you can uh, also use NLP for different purposes. For example, I want to know the emotion recognition, whether a given comment is toxic or not. So this is known as intention toxicity demo. So let me open that. So suppose I say, so this is the perspective of that. There is the button here. So here already, amazing. The moment I say amazing, it is telling me that 2% similar comments people said were crushed. Then I say hilarious. So the moment I say hilarious, 25% people from the database said it is adored. So when I say certain things, not only the meaning but the intention behind it is captured. That is known as prospective or intention. This is what a very good research area. So not only the meaning of the given text but intention of the given text. Then we have another application called machine translation, where the machine will translate. The best example is Google translation. So here it will detect the language. The moment you type something, it will detect the language and it will translate it to other language. For example, I will now, so the moment I typed Telugu text, it has detected that it is Telugu, and English, it is presenting me, hello, how are you? So this is NLP. So that means earlier, if you want to translate a language from one language to the other, you had to hire language experts who studied the language, grammar, and many things. But now with machine translation, we can do it in a fraction of seconds, and that too with different language. See how many languages you can translate that from Telugu. Even if you go to somewhere, if you don't, even if you don't know the language, you can converse in with machine translation. So different languages, you can convert that into Swedish, and of course we cannot read it, but this is another application. Sentiment analysis, then intention analysis, then you can see emotion analysis, whether it is happy or sad, or this one based on the text or spoken audio file. Then this one machine translation, then text summarization. You give your text, We have some apps on Android called what they do shorts, in shorts news. What they do is they will give every news within some 100 words or 250 words. So what they do is they take news and they present it in very, very precise form. This is known as text summarization. So they will take news from other apps and they will summarize it with a short. This is text summarization. And not only that, text classification. Text classification means you can analyze whether a given text belongs to sports, politics, news, or cultural or entertainment. Classification of the news. See, in newspaper you have some headings like local news, regional news, international news, then entertainment, movies. So you can have text classification, and uh, you can Google also have a package called natural language package in its cloud. So it has developed AI Studio, and here you can do the things of sentiment analysis or tokens. So it provides different APIs that we can explore. So we'll do it later because it is showing some pricing. So what are the applications that we have seen so far? So we have seen what is sentiment analysis. Then we have seen what is machine translation. These are the applications, text summarization. Then we have seen what is text classification. This is not only about text, but it is also for audio also, speech recognition. Then we have seen intention analysis. See, sometimes we may be saying the correct word, but there may be some sarcasm. Intention analysis. Then emotional analysis, whether a person is happy or sad by his social media posts. So these are all different aspects of natural language processing. So in this subject, we are going to explore how we can analyze these things and how do we do that? What is the pipeline that allows this NLP to analyze these things? Let me check whether I missed anything or not. Yeah, let me show you some annotation demo. So this is also intention and actions analysis. Suppose I'm selecting some text, example 3. So I'd like to watch episodes from the TV series The Secret Queen Anne or Musketeers in 30 Years Ago. So when we do that, so what are the different labels it will analyze? I, what is that I, what is like, what is to, these are all different entities. This is also known as a named entity recognition. That means from the given text, which is object, which is verb, uh, which is subject, and which is the adjective. So this is also known as POS tagging, but here it is named entity recognition, whether it is date or building or country or a name. So named entity recognition, POS tagging, all these are different applications or parts of NLP.